You shouldn't fear anyone because, ultimately, no one can hurt you as much as you can hurt yourself. Here's why. 1. Self-sabotage is the real threat. Others may judge, criticize, or even betray you, but the most damage comes from your own negative self-talk, bad decisions, and self-destructive behaviors. Addiction, unhealthy habits, or avoiding necessary changes often hurt you more than any external force. 2. No one lives in your mind but you. Fear of others is often based on assumptions, what they might think, say, or do. But their opinions don't control your reality. What truly shapes your life is your thoughts, choices, and actions. 3. External threats are temporary. Internal battles can be lifelong. Someone else's words or actions may sting in the moment, but they pass. The way you treat yourself, self-doubt, regret, guilt, can last much longer if you let it. 4. Fear gives away your power. When you fear others, you let them dictate your emotions and choices. When you take responsibility for your own mindset and actions, no one can control you. 5. Your strength comes from facing yourself. The hardest battles are internal, facing your past, healing wounds, and pushing through struggles. Once you conquer yourself, no one else can truly shake you. At the end of the day, the only person who can truly make or break you is you. So why fear anyone else?